We'll introduce the importance of professionalism in the workplace and how it can impact career growth and opportunities. Viewers will learn that being professional is more than just meeting deadlines. It's about effective communication, problem solving, and maintaining a positive work ethic. We'll briefly outline what the video will cover, including the key skills needed to be professional at work, and how Workers Direct can help guide viewers in developing these skills. This chapter aims to engage viewers from the start by setting up the valuable insights and practical tips coming up. What does it mean to be professional at work? This chapter defines what it means to be professional in the workplace, covering both attitude and behavior. Professionalism includes showing respect for colleagues, being punctual, meeting deadlines, and maintaining a positive, solution-focused attitude. We'll also touch on workplace ethics, accountability, and how professionals contribute to a healthy work environment. This section helps viewers understand that professionalism isn't just about skill. It's also about mindset, discipline, and how you present yourself. By the end of this segment, viewers will know the core aspects of professionalism and why they are crucial for long-term career success. Key skills for workplace professionalism. Here, we introduce the essential skills that define professionalism. These include communication, time management, organization, adaptability, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. Each skill plays a critical role in how professionals handle their work and interact with colleagues and supervisors. We'll break down how these skills translate into daily tasks and contribute to productivity and workplace harmony. This chapter provides viewers with a blueprint for the top skills they need to focus on, emphasizing that professionalism is a combination of technical and soft skills, all of which contribute to a more successful and respected career. Effective communication skills. Communication is at the heart of professionalism, and this chapter focuses on how to communicate clearly, respectfully, and efficiently in the workplace. We'll explore the importance of both verbal and written communication, from emails and reports to team meetings and one-on-one conversations. Viewers will learn how to actively listen, ask the right questions, and ensure they convey their ideas effectively. We'll also cover professional body language and the importance of adapting communication styles to different audiences, ensuring that viewers can build strong professional relationships with colleagues and clients. Time management and organization. This chapter focuses on the critical skill of time management and how being organized boosts productivity and professionalism. Viewers will learn tips for managing their time effectively, prioritizing tasks, and staying on top of deadlines. We'll also explore how to create efficient work habits, avoid procrastination, and balance multiple projects. By mastering time management, professionals can demonstrate reliability and efficiency, two key traits that employers value highly. This section equips viewers with actionable strategies to improve their organizational skills, helping them stay focused and productive in any work environment. Adaptability and problem solving. In this chapter, we discuss the importance of being adaptable and handling challenges with a problem-solving mindset. The workplace is constantly evolving, and professionals need to be flexible and open to change. We'll explore how to stay calm under pressure, approach challenges with creativity, and find effective solutions to unexpected issues. Viewers will learn how being adaptable and a quick problem solver shows employers that they can handle anything that comes their way. This section will help viewers develop resilience and adaptability, key traits that make professionals stand out in competitive work environments. How Workers Direct helps you build career skills. Here, we explain how Workers Direct can support viewers in developing the professional skills they need for career growth. From offering training programs to helping candidates find the right job opportunities, Workers Direct focuses on equipping individuals with the skills that employers value most. We'll highlight the resources and guidance available through Workers Direct, including mentorship, job placements, and skill-building workshops. This chapter reassures viewers that they don't have to develop their professionalism alone. Workers Direct is there to help them every step of the way. Boost your professionalism for career growth. In the conclusion, we summarize the key takeaways from the video, reminding viewers of the importance of professionalism and the essential skills they need to focus on. We'll encourage them to apply the tips they've learned to their daily work routine and to seek out opportunities to continue growing professionally. The final message emphasizes that professionalism is an ongoing journey, and by continuously developing these skills, viewers can unlock new career opportunities and achieve long-term success. We'll also prompt them to stay connected with Workers Direct for further career support and resources. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips on how to be more professional at work help you elevate your career. Remember, mastering skills like effective communication, time management, and problem solving are key to standing out in any industry. Don't forget, Workers Direct is here to support you in building these essential career skills and finding the perfect job opportunities. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on boosting your professional journey. Keep improving, and we'll see you in the next video.